guys, it is me, it is I, Ihoma Eze, and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve that beautiful aesthetic vintage brown preset or theme, or that beautiful moody brown preset that you see on Instagram and you love. If this is exactly what you want to achieve for your Instagram feed, then keep on watching. So right now we are inside Lightroom. This is my Lightroom. And we are going to be editing this particular picture, and remember, we are working towards achieving that beautiful vintage brown preset or theme. So we're going to be editing this particular picture, and the first thing you need to know when you want to achieve a brown preset or a brown theme is the fact that you don't need colors. You do not need colors, or you need little colors in a picture. So we're going to get rid of every color here, focus more on our skin and the environment. So I'm going to start with the light tool, and I'm just going to click on the light tool, and we're going to increase the exposure a little bit. We're going to take the exposure to plus 17, plus 0.17, sorry, not plus 17, and we're going to reduce the contrast because, like I said, we do not need light at all when we want to achieve a brown theme or a brown preset. So we're taking the contrast back to minus, let's say minus 14 should be okay. And we're also going to take the highlights back, because you bringing the highlights to the front, it means you're putting light into your picture. So we're taking the highlights all the way to minus 52. And we're also going to take the shadows backwards, but very little, guys. We don't really want to tamper with the shadow. We just want it to be really tiny. So we're going to take it to minus 2 or minus 3, but I'm going to use minus 2. Then for the white and black, we are going to take the white and black all the way to the front, and we're going to take the white to, let's use plus 37, and we're going to also take the black to the front. So we're going to take it to plus 62. Yeah, plus 62. So now we have gotten the lights that we need to get the brown preset right now. So we have gotten rid of any bright lights or any really dark light and all. So we move over to the color tool, and we're not going to touch the temperature, and we're not going to touch the tint. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now for the vibrance is colors, guys. Vibrance is orange, and we don't need anything like orange in this particular tutorial. So I'm taking the vibrance all the way to the back. I'm taking it, okay, I'm going to put it minus 10 for the vibrance. So we haven't gotten rid of every color, but we are getting rid of some colors gradually. That's the way it is, guys, or that's the way it's done. And as for the saturation, I'm just going to take saturation to the front a little bit, and that is 2 plus 2. So I'm going to go into the color mix, guys, and we're going to be using virtually every color here to achieve that brown preset or that brown theme that we want. I'm going to start with color red, and as for the hue, we move the hue to the front, which is plus 50. Let's use plus 56. And for the saturation, we're going to move saturation to the front, which is plus 10. We're taking the luminance all the way to the back, minus 54. Then we're done with the color red. Then we're going to go to the color orange, and we're not going to touch the hue of the orange, but only going to touch the saturation and the luminance in the orange. And we're going to take the saturation all the way to the front, not really all the way, just to the same plus 10 as what we did for the red, and the luminance minus 14 to the back. Then we're going to go all the way to the yellow, guys. We're getting rid of this yellow. Just take your yellow, the saturation of yellow, all the way to the back, and anything like the sun, anything like bright stuff will just automatically disappear from your picture, guys. So we're going to get rid of the yellow right now. If you notice, guys, look at the background. Everything in the background is turning to black and white, and the brown preset has this kind of black and white feel for the background. Then we go to green, and we're not going to touch the hue of the green, but the saturation of the green, we're also going to take the green all the way to the back, and we're also going to take the saturation of the aqua all the way to the back. We're going to get rid of it. Like I said, we're getting rid of all our colors in the background and in the surrounding. So aqua is gone. Then we're going to go to blue and increase the saturation of the blue just a little bit, guys, like a little bit, to plus 10, and the luminance to also plus 10. And yeah, then we go to purple and we remove the purple, take the purple all the way to the back, go to the other purple and take it all the way to the back. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Guys, they're really looking so nice, but we are not done yet because this is not the end. We still need to get that vintage brown, and trust me guys, this particular preset works for every skin type and everything. You would need little or no adjustments. Honestly, once you get this, you would need little or no adjustments. So we're done with the color and we move over to effect, and we're going to increase the texture to plus 30 and the clarity to like plus 5, then the haze to also plus 5. So we move over to detail. I'm going to move the sharpening all the way to the front, that's plus 25. Right now we have adjusted the lights, we have adjusted the colors, we have adjusted the effect, and we have adjusted the detail, so that once we introduce this particular brown preset into this picture, everything will just bond immediately. Like there won't be like issues or oh it's too bright, oh it's too dark, oh it's too dull, oh it's too light and stuff like that. So now what we have to do, we'll go to profile. I don't know if you guys can see profile. After there's selective, there's healing, there's crop, and there's profile. So we click on profile, and when you click on profile, you see favorite, you see basic, you see artistic, B and W, you see modern, and you see vintage. Now you have to click on modern, and once you click on modern, you click on modern 3. And after you've clicked on modern 3, you increase it to 115. I use 115 because 115 is perfect for my skin type, for my skin tone. So maybe if you are light skinned, you could always keep going forward, figure out what is good for your skin type. Or if you're extremely dark, you can take it all the way to the back, reduce it a little bit, or even increase it. Just play around with it and see what works for you. So guys, this is virtually everything. This is how you get that kind of brown preset, brown theme. This is the before and this is the after. I'm going to show you again. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. So you might actually say that why can't we just go to profile immediately and just click on modern 3 and just increase it to 115 and that's it. There's nothing wrong with doing that, but the reason why we actually touched the light and the color and the effect and the detail too before we now went to profile is because we're trying to get rid of some colors that we do not need in this particular picture. If you don't do that, and by the time you just apply the modern 3 presets alone on it, this modern 3 came with Lightroom. It's not like a downloaded preset or a bought preset. It actually came with Lightroom application. So if you just go and apply it like that on your picture, if you had green in that picture, green will still be there. If you had blue in that picture, blue will still be there. So it will just be there with everything that was in that picture. That was why initially we had to touch the light to get rid of the lights that we don't need. We also had to touch the color to also get rid of some specific colors like blue and like green that were in the picture initially, so that we'll be able to apply the modern 3 presets that came with the Lightroom application. I don't know if I'm making sense. So we are going to apply this particular brown preset that we just made together on another picture, random picture, or any other person's picture. And guys, I didn't actually mention this in the beginning. This brown theme preset was actually inspired by Ronke Raji. I am obsessed with Ronke Raji. I love her Instagram feed, I love her presets, and I have been trying to figure out how she was able to pull out something like that. So this is a picture of Ronke Raji. In case you don't know who Ronke Raji is, she's also a YouTuber. You guys should also subscribe to her channel. She gives like awesome content. So I'm just going to go to presets, and brown theme 3 is what we created together. So I'm going to click on brown theme 3, and this is it, guys. This is like so beautiful. This is so hard. So this is the before of the picture and this is the after. Guys, this is like so pretty. I am this close to changing my Instagram feed and using this preset. Like I am this close, but I am loyal to my orange theme for life. So guys, let's apply the preset that we just made together to this particular picture, this random picture, and let's see how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to go to my preset and I'm going to click on the brown theme 3. Brown theme 3. That's like a tongue twister. Brown theme 3 presets, and I'm just going to click on it. And what? You guys might say I'm being extremely dramatic, but guys, I just love a good Instagram feed. I love a good preset because I am obsessed with good presets. Like once I enter your Instagram and I see that you have aesthetic pleasing feed, I'm all yours. I don't know, I'll just stay there. And I just love this. This is the before of this picture and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. It is so beautiful, guys. It's so gorgeous. Like this is it. We have figured it out. This is the vintage brown that you have been looking for. This is the vintage brown that it's all over Instagram and nobody will tell you how they are getting it. This is it right here, guys. We have gotten it and we can finally rub it on their faces that we have gotten it. So enjoy and use it and use it well. So guys, we have finally come to the end of this video and I hope this video was super helpful. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please and please and please. I'm going to say it and I'll keep on saying it. Subscribe to this channel, guys, if you've been enjoying the whole content on this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.